Um, Hi guys, good evening, ma'am. Welcome. So I would like to discuss about my data set here. I got import all my libraries like Panda, NumPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib, Lib, and everything here. You can see, and these are the files which I have taken there and import from the other files. And this is my raw data. So from reading in the data insurance data frame, I use the function like a top head function. I got the data, all the my attributes, ID, name, artist, danceability, energy, and everything. And I have taken the info, which is here. You can see the Panda score frame, my data frame. Here all the count is non-null, so my data is very clean, so I don't need to clean my data. And I have everything, the non-null count, and some 3 objects and float 64, all my attributes. And then I have take a y-axis on mode attribute and x-axis on rest of thing, my attributes, which is 14. And from sklearn model, I use a test size like 34 and random state 42, test size 3 4, and then I import some libraries, TensorFlow, and I imported a sequential dense dropout, and I use a mode 1 sequential. You can see here function. I have taken units 4 and activation ReLU, and in the mode 2 dense I have taken the units 2. Here you can see units 1 activation sigmod, which is sigmod like to get a more probability. So in order to get a most better probability, I used to take a sigmod here, and from a binary classification, I've taken the mode 1 loss binary, cross tropery, and optimizer admin. And so I have got all the very good probability using a sigmod. And see here, I have taken a post 100 x test and y test verbose 1. I got all the data here until I've taken until 100, count 100. You can see this is all the data. You got about 60, 86, 89 until 100. Here you can see this, and then I predict the class, then next test, and you can see here. And then I printed the classification report. I got the confusion matrix and classification report. So here you can see the classification report and the accuracy. You can find the precision, you can find the accuracy 0.62 and 34. And here you can see the macro average and weighted average here. So using the so I got my data is very it was very clean data here. We got the accuracy here. And then coming to the logistic regression on diabetes, so it's like a data set, from I input like from seed range, so from minimum and maximum values. So I used to I used to find the minimum, min, and maximum values on each column. Here we can see the dataset index of 0. I use a maximum and minimum values here, the columns. I use this function for loop here as the length of dataset, and use a return the minimum max here, and using and also defining the function with the arguments with the parameters like dataset and minimum max. So for row, so I got the minimum max, and then I split the data using and again I declare a function like with the dataset and enfolds, and return the dataset split. And after then I calculate the accuracy percentage using the using the parameters like actual and predicted, and using the range. So using with the actual here float length into 100, and then after that I evaluated the algorithm here and written the scores and linear regression algorithm. So I've written the predictions for that. So for the I range, and I printed the mean accuracy and also I printed the scores of my linear regression. Thank you.